They up in here trying to get that ice. How you feel about it? How you feel about it? Y'all. I don't think we gonna make it.
I go where I want, good. Yeah. I go where I want, good. Yeah. I go where I want, good.
Dame la ciencia.
Hi guys. We got the 2-time spicy noodles. Check us out. We got the 2-time spicy noodles. We got 4 packs because we got 4 people, right? So we're gonna make the noodles in bulk, and then we're gonna have our seasonings and our hot stuff, and we're gonna put it in, and the spicy noodle challenge will begin. Show them the noodle pot we got on the stove. It's boiling and it's ready and it's hot. We're gonna make the noodles, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back when it's time for the challenge. We're gonna keep the packets separate so we know what's what. So we got that pack. Oh! We're gonna get our maid Sierra to
I was about to grab the bro, but I ain't no maid.
No, she ain't no maid.
Look at you in your maid outfit.
Oh, her ass fire. Boom, 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 boom. Let's take the noodles to the stove, though. We got the noodles right here. We got the noodles right here. Ooh, we got
Stop making more mess for me.
I'm sorry. We got the noodles right. Wait, I'm like, this is 5 packs.
It is 5 packs. You got ass.
I just want to say that I'm really happy. My family is here and we're doing a spicy noodle challenge. Okay, so check them out. We got the noodles brewing, 4 packs. We gonna let those cook. We got our seasoning and we got our hot spices. And we're gonna come back. That's on period.
Oh, Mary had a little lamb. Hey.
Noodles are cooked. Let's pour it out the water. So uneventful.
Can I add a link to your YouTube on here? How you do that?
Girl, I ain't got a clue. I ain't been on social media over here. Yes, y'all. You gonna pour our stuff on the noodles. I'm scared. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Y'all see the cheese on the wrist?
Y'all see it?
Y'all see it?
Y'all see
Y'all
it?
mother see it? Take the noodles to the table. Why she wanna turn the camera on when I'm all in this bad angle? Do you think that I care? No. Hey. Hello. How are you? Y'all my people, what? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Y'all know what title says. We just been chilling. Chilling.
Y'all see the colors? Y'all see the vibe?
Hey.
Go Bucks!
So I got my besties, I got my family, I got my people here for the Chiefs Super Bowl celebration, okay? And we're gonna do something fun today, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, welcome. If you like good things, good vibes, prosperous, positive, self-betterment, that's what we are about over here, so feel free to subscribe. This is my best friend, Amber, okay? Yeah. This is my cousin, Sierra. This is little sis Brianna over here. Hey! Mi familia, and you know what we finna do? Spicy noodle challenge. This is different for the channel. Y'all know it's different. I don't know what to expect. I'm gonna be honest, we done drank a little bit. And you know what we gonna do? We just gonna go for it. So, we got an even amount of noodles. We got our packets. We're gonna get straight into it. We're not gonna drag it because y'all know I like to do that. And we're gonna see who can finish theirs first. Is that what it is?
Yes.
We're gonna see who can.
5 minutes.
Yeah. Who can finish theirs first and not drink anything within 5 minutes. We're gonna get straight into it. And we're gonna do it. Y'all ready? So we're gonna put our ingredients first. So this is, I don't know, I think this is seasoning. Ooh. But we can't play. Oh, let's do this. Put your noodles up. Sorry. These are the noodles, okay? Just so y'all know we ain't faking and we ain't fronting. We putting everything into it. Let's go. Oh my God, I'm so scared.
Why are y'all scared? I'm gonna be the one that's dying the most because I'm trying to go to.
Okay, by the way, the last person that was kind of like iffy and didn't want to do it was Brianna. So she's probably like gonna be the weakest link. But you never know. You literally really never know. I don't know what to expect.
I don't like
I'm
spicy.
about this spicy life.
Amber likes spicy. I like spicy, but it's been a while since I've had.
Oh my god.
I told you don't put
Oh my god, it
my
looks like blood. Don't put this on your skin and don't touch your face. See, I want it.
Can you see my eyes?
Why would you do
See my
that?
eyes. Oh, because I got on my finger and I just.
Why would you do that?
Oh my god. I'm dead.
We got all our mix.
Okay, let's see these spicy noodles.
Facebook, we doing spicy noodle. If this goes left, I'm throwing her phone on the ground.
Let's see
That's a
these
fact.
spicy. All right, count down.
So 1. Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Alright, let's
5
go.
minutes.
5 minutes.
All right, let me
Ready?
get start. 1, 2.
Go.
Don't put it on your lips, y'all.
It's hot, y'all. It's hot. Yo, I'm not even gonna lie, it's hot.
I got more than everybody. This ain't fair.
I'm too drunk for this. I just feel like.
What's the name of the brand of?
Woo!
I'll show you.
Oh, it's hot. Woo! Nope.
No.
Jesus.
I got this in the bag.
Man, my scalp starting to itch. You know when you get hot and your scalp start itching? I don't got time.
I got like one more bite in me, y'all.
Oh, my butthole gonna be on fire.
I feel hot and cold at the same time.
Oh my god, my ears are tingling. In my throat. You saw this she got from the bag. Look at her. What bag? My ears are burning.
Am I sweating? Look, am I sweating?
My throat.
Alright.
I gotta win. I gotta win. It's my channel.
One more bite, that's it.
Hey, my mouth is watering.
No, y'all, bye.
Don't get a water. Water gonna make it worse.
No.
Hold on, wait.
Get some chips or something.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. Wait.
What do I get, y'all? Wait.
It ain't nothing but almond milk in there. You ain't gonna.
I can do this. I can do this. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, y'all.
Okay.
Fuck them.
Hey. I'm too f***ed up for this. I think I'm winning.
Okay, that's better. I can take another bite now. Orange juice? Okay, girl.
So y'all
already
lost.
lost.
Y'all lost.
I
Me
mean,
and Amber.
we
It's
lost
me and Amber
fine.
at this point. It's me and Amber at this point. First of all, it's my channel. I'm over here looking on her camera.
Tapped out. Oh my god.
Right?
They weak. They
Right? Okay, this orange juice.
My tongue is on fire. I lost.
They weak. I'm over here looking at Amber.
Hey, SEO, let's go.
Shonda Price first.
Oh my god, my throat is itching. I thought that would work. Oh god, let me up.
Corona.
You're supposed to help this.
Wait.
How many minutes y'all got left?
How many minutes is it? Oh my god, look at my eyes, y'all.
How many minutes left, Amber?
Look at my eyes. My boyfriend had broke up with me. He said it wasn't gonna work out.
Alright.
So it don't matter.
And look, I'm crying for real. Can they see on here? Oh my god. Y'all.
Oh,
I don't
titties.
think we gonna make it.
Your titties in Facebook.
Ooh, my nose.
How much
Look, y'all.
you- how much
I got
you-
the most. I mean, I ate the most. This, I'm done.
No,
Wait,
Amber ate the
Amber's.
most. Is that really?
What you been doing?
Amber ate the most.
She's sweating too.
Woo! Jesus!
Amber killed that.
I'm
You can have it. Y'all, this is like,
I don't finish it.
I can feel my skin. It's burning inside, from the inside. And it's like real hot.
Hey, those chips kind of calm me down.
Hey! Y'all see me?
Amber finished in 4 minutes and 54 seconds.
That's all she wrote for me. I'm definitely done. My lips are burning. My lips are burning.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But I didn't drink nothing.
Where is here? Oh, lost. I'm right here. Amber won.
It's so hot. Jesus.
Hey, the size of my lips is burning.
I didn't even touch my lips.
Let me open that milk.
Milk. We got almond milk. Hey, get that oat milk.
Wait, look at the sweat on my head though.
It's not as bad. Look, look.
Excuse me.
Look, I'm talking about it ain't as bad. Look, I'm talking about it ain't as bad as it look. I ain't even ate half of mine. Look, I'm done. Y'all can keep it.
Oat milk?
Look, it's Stacy. Look. It's Stacy.
I love you, Stacy.
We love you, Stacy.
Don't cough, because when I coughed, that's when I was done. First of all, though, hey, we are recording a video. We still here. But this has to be edited and posted. Amber won the spicy noodle challenge. The moment I start coughing, let me just say, I was done.
My lips is burning.
She could have it. She's the champ.
I thought I got the claps on my
I'm okay.
lips. You got the claps on my lips. They
Sierra
burn.
said she got the clap. We got that burn.
Look, have we even gone 6 seconds?
6 seconds?
What are we doing?
We went 5 minutes.
Oh,
She
okay.
did-
Wait, what are you even talking
I
about?
don't know. Hot.
Amber is the champ. She
It's up
killed
in the
it.
stud, up in the stud. Okay.
Second place is me.
Nobody's second place. Literally, our bowls look the exact same, okay?
2 is not a winner. 3 is
I
not
thought I was going in on this to be like, hey
My lips
guys,
feel big.
look.
I feel like my lips is plump. So I'm about to do this more often. I got some Kylie Jenner lips. Ooh.
These lips already plugged.
I need some of that milk though, the book. She
I wanted to do something different on the channel. I hope it was interesting. I'm gonna try and edit it as the best as I can to make it fun. My lips is burning like here
I gotta go.
and down here.
My lips is burning so
No,
bad.
you gotta go.
go.
She gotta go.
My lips are burning so bad. What do you guys suggest that I do about it?
I'm gonna grab this camera. It's the champ though. How you feel about it? How you feel about it? Cause she wanna win so bad. They up in here trying to get that ice. How does it feel to be the champ? Hey, shake it, work it, twerk it, ew. All right, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed that. I always wanted to do it, and what better way to do it than with my people, y'all. That's for the birds. It ain't for me. Y'all can keep that challenge. Y'all can have that challenge. I don't need to win that challenge. There was a part of me that felt like I could win that challenge, but it's not for me. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like the vibes. I've been drinking, y'all, so I'm gonna flow. Sorry. But I'll see y'all in the next video.
1 hour later.
Okay, guys.
We're still alive.
How do you feel?
Much better.
Mm-hmm.
I had some ice and some orange juice though.
Okay. We're gonna go to the reigning champ. And how do you feel?
FDB.
They be.
All about me. Hey.
How you feel about the loss?
I don't feel no motherfucking way.
Oh my God! Wait a minute. Why are you mad about it?
Actually, I do feel so way because my lips is burning and I still lost. So I shouldn't even partake it.
So you lost.
I lost. My lips is on fire.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure when I take a number 2, my butt gonna be burning too.
Booty burning. Booty burning. Booty. Shake it. Booty burning. Booty burning. Booty burning.
I go where I want good. Yeah. I go where I want good. Yeah. I go where I want good.